Saving water. There is shortage of drinking water. We need to save water. We can save it by closing the taps after use, closing the taps while brushing our teeth, not wasting water while brushing. See, there is a shortage of drinking water, means the water which we can drink, there is a lack of that water. Okay, the amount of that water is present less on the earth. Then we need to save water. That's why we need to save water. How we can save water? You can save water by following steps. The steps are: close the tap after the use. Okay, then while brushing, don't on the tap or let the water run again and okay, then close the tap while brushing. Do not waste water while bathing also. Water from ponds, rivers and lake is not always clean. It is polluted by, see, the water which we see in ponds, rivers and lake, that is also always not clean. Okay, it is polluted, means it get dirty. How it could get dirty is, that is by washing clothes. If anyone wash the clothes in that, it becomes dirty. Animals bathing in water, when animals take bath in water, like in rivers or ponds, the water becomes dirty because the dust or the germs on them comes into the water and the water becomes dirty. Waste thrown into the water, the waste which we throw into the water directly or by the factories, that also cause the water polluted. Okay, next comes keeping water clean. How we can keep the water clean? Drinking dirty water can cause diseases. If we will drink the dirty water, the water becomes we can become sick. Okay, we can make water clean. How we can make the water clean? If we do not allow drain to flow into the rivers. If we don't allow drains to flow into the river, drains means the sewage water, the dirty water which go out from our houses. Okay, that water, we should not throw that water directly into the rivers. It should be filtered before throwing into the water. Do not bath and wash clothes in ponds and rivers. We should not bath and wash clothes. Do not throw garbage and leftover in sources of clean water. We should not throw garbage or leftovers in the clean water. Next, become educate people about importance of clean water. We should educate the people about the importance of clean water, that we should drink clean water. Then how we can clean the water? By using water filter, okay, or by boiling it. By using water filter, the water becomes purified. Purify means it is free from the germs. We can clean it. So in this chapter we read of that we should save the water and we should drink the clean water.